have 150 employees here at Temple Furniture and located in Maiden. The type of product we make is fully upholstered furniture. You would see this type of furniture in your living room, your sofas, your sectionals, very comfortable furniture. We do our own finishing in-house. We make our own frames. So I would classify our furniture as fully upholstered living room furniture. That's what we make. So as soon as we got the new system in, didn't have the noise as much. You don't have to handle the dust. It goes outside. We had an area there that we put to good use where the square footage was taken up with the other unit. The environment was cleaner because the inside unit just wasn't collecting as much dust as the existing system does. So now we have basically zero downtime. All the thing we have to do is go out and hook up the other one and change the gate lever. And we're already filling up the second dust box while the one that's full is getting emptied. So that's just increased efficiency, increased cleanliness, increase of safety, a lot less dirty. So it's got a lot of upside to it when we went from the inside system to the outside system. The fact that now that all of our dust goes outside, it's kept our atmosphere more clean inside. It's not near as dusty as it was when we had the inside dust collection system. The dust collection system, as even the monitoring system that we have on the dust collection system, it adds safety because if something is not working properly inside that system, it'll shut it down. It'll give us an alarm, and that's very good to prevent fires. The whole dust collection system, it changed the environment, number one, because it's just such a cleaner environment. It helps prevent fires. And then, of course, if your dust collection system's down, guess what? You're not making any frames. So that's just been a big help to us, the whole Nederman dust collection system and the monitoring system that's on it at this time.